What excites me most about the Teach Engineering Champions Institute is the ability to bring together both formal and informal educators from across the United States.
I've always loved Teach Engineering, and I've taken PD with Teach Engineering, and I've just loved it. So when this came up, I was like, oh, I am already a champion. I could totally be there.
Oh, it's been eye-opening. I was surprised. Every day I go home and call my wife and said, boy, this is amazing.
It's an opportunity for me to learn more, see some of the resources, and then to bring those into my classroom and use them.
Teach Engineering is a resource with nearly 2,000 activities, lessons, videos, and educator resources.
There's just so many different ways that we could use, the program.
This is something that you need to and have to expose kids to because you need to give them opportunities. This will open their opportunities to anything they want to do in life.
It helps us build a sense of community, build engineering identity among the educators, and to use research best practices so they themselves can be champions and mentors to other educators in their communities.
It stimulates learning. Not necessarily just learning for engineers, but stimulate learning, period.
This is life skills. If you get practiced hands-on and embody it, like what we've talked about, you'll find that it's becoming easier to do emotionally and mentally, so.
There's 1,900 lessons, resources, grab and go, and they're interactive. Students can really, they're hands-on, and that's really, and they're engaging.
Kids, if you get them at the right time and level in their life, no matter what else is going on, this can motivate them. So it's a must for some of these kids.
Success is our techies coming together and building a community of practice. Success is these educators going back to their communities with a renewed sense or even new sense of what engineering is and how they can make it fun, exciting, hands-on, and relative to their students.